Howdy folks, and welcome to Hockmeyer Outdoors. On this episode, we're making some ranch beans for the hiking trail, so y'all stay tuned. Go over the ingredients of the ranch beans that I'm making. The main thing is this, the ranch style beans. These things are so good. If you can't get them at your local store, you can't find them, I guess a good alternative would be like the Bush grilling beans, the Fiesta one or something. But Amazon does sell these, but they're really good. Highly suggest you get that. Gonna need some rice, some bouillon cubes, a lime, some type of sweeter sauce. Could be like ketchup or barbecue. I'm using barbecue and some Arby's sauce. A little bit of hot sauce, an onion, and some jerky. And a little bit of salt and pepper. That's all you need for this. It's gonna be really good. Got the rice. This is going to take the longest, so we're going to start off with this. Get the bouillon cube going. Put about 2 of them in there. It's chicken, by the way. Little goose. Oh, it just landed over there. Scenic. Nice place we got here, by the way. And I'm gonna add a little bit of lime juice into this rice too. Nice cold one for the limes would be nice. A little bit of salt, pepper. Put some water in this and get it on. We're going to cook the jerky in the beans, and it's really good. I mean, it's strange. I never really thought about using jerky like this, but got the old, trying out the old Mora Karsbro. I think that's what it's called. Some Swedish name. Trying it out is sharp. It is surgical sharp. I mean, might be the new knife we're trying out here. Get this jerky chopped up. Get things going. Like always, when you go out hiking or something, you're gonna forget something. I forgot my can opener, but the Gerber suspension, I believe the KXT or NXT, I'm not for sure. Suspension next is what it is. It's got a little can opener on it. Not the best, but it's gonna get us through. If this don't work, we're just gonna break the blade out and start opening that way. All right, so we're gonna get the beans going. Forming my little mess kit here. These things are really good, folks. If you haven't had these, I highly suggest you find them. But we're gonna put the beef jerky in there. Getting that cooked up. I like the original flavor in this one, the Jack Links or something. We're going to put a little bit of sweet salt. I kind of like a little bit of sweetness in this. Got some Arby's sauce. Some barbecue. I got one more I might add. I don't know. Might do it, might not. But the rice is done too. Came out really good. We're almost done here. Got to add a little bit of hot sauce in here. Gotta have that.
Here's your Hockmeyer Outdoors pro tip of the day. If you go to Cracker Barrel and get the syrup, it'll come in a little glass bottle. You can reuse that. We put hot sauce in it today. But in college, I would put whiskey in there because it's the same color as syrup. Nobody thought anything of it other than thought you're a little odd for carrying so many syrup bottles around. And that's your Hawkmar Outdoors pro tip of the day.
The rice is done. Came out really good. We'll dally some up here. And then I'm gonna take some of these beans and this jerky here. Put that over top of it. I'm telling you what, this is really good. After hiking all day, this is gonna be super good. Get some of them onions you chopped up down top of it. There we go, folks. It's done. We're ready to go. We'll have my taste tested for y'all.
I'm excited to try this. Hawkins knows how to whip up a camp dinner. And I'm no stranger to those ranch beans. They're good. Very delicious. That lime, I think, just takes it over the top. Gets me craving a cold one, though.
Yep.
Hawkmar Outdoors approved.
Well, made it up for you. Definitely try this. Ranch beans, jerky, onions, rice. Real easy to make. Really good. I want to thank y'all for coming along with us, and y'all have a good one.